Hello everyone, it's so hot outside, so let's make mango smoothie, so refreshing and delicious. Welcome to Saigoncook Travel. I am Saigoncook. I bought 20 pounds of mango and I can do many things with them besides just devour. So I use one piece of mango here. I peel the mango right now. This mango is very juicy and flavorful. I eat raw, but I want to make something with them. This is smoothie and popsicle will coming up next. So after I peel, I cut up the mango flesh for easier grinding. To make it creamier, I use half of the frozen banana. You can do so or you just use mango. I will add half a cup of water to make it drinkable. But you want concentrated, you can use two pieces of mango or 3 for one glass. Use the blender if you will. I use food processor here because I am about to use food processor to do something else and I'm lazy to clean both blender and food processor, so I use food processor to do the smoothie also, and it does a good job, no complaints. You can see smooth mango right now. So I add frozen banana here and just blend into smooth. You do better than a job than I do. Now and just you pour into glass and I garnish with something fun and that's it. You have a smoothie for your hot day. Please give it a try and tell me how it goes. Thank you for watching and remember, subscribe and share my videos. Bye bye.